Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how you can add three dots above letters in Word in just a few seconds. So for this, you need to click on the insert on the top menu bar, and on the right side, click on the equation. An equation editor box will be open up, and then in the structure group, you need to click on the ascent. Click on this drop down, and here you need to select the third option, which is the triple dot. Click on that. A box will be appeared. Now click inside the box and type the letter, for example T, and now select it and go to the home and remove the italic, and now you can even change the color to the red. And if you want to change the color of dots, you can also select it and change it to the red. So this is how simple you can add three dots above letter in Word in a few seconds. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.